Constant number 1. Jaja Montenegro.
Ay, meron ba?
Ay, nako.
Clap your hand, clap your hand. Clap your hand.
Jaja Montenegro. Representing Nigeria.
Clap your hand, clap your hand. Who's constant number 2?
Uy, huwag kayo
Constant number 2. Ira Sioson. Clap your hand, clap your hand. Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Translator!
Constant number 3. Pauline Mael. Clap your hand, clap your hand. Clap your hand. Constant number 4. Christine Sullivan. Clap your hand, clap your hand.
Bigla ba yan?
Constant number 5. The most beautifuler. Ariel. Astu. Clap your hand, clap your hand.
Di ba may ganun dapat?
Host!
Uy,
The Canada.
ilan ba yung ako?
Canada. Liz. Magdali.
Constant number 64.
Bakla! Oy, bakla!
Maricaro Mahilig. Clap your hand, clap your hand.
Irvin! Harang ka, Irvin! Irvin! Harang ka doon sa makinig.
Constant number 11. Ay, ano bang pangalan niya? Karen Marino. Clap your hand. Clap your hand.
Oy, si Irvin! Tayo na!
Here's are the constants numbers 1 to 11. Ilang ba din yan? Uy, bilis na.
Uy, kantahan nyo naman! Kunyari kanta.
Question.
Tali!
Yung ino naman.
Ay, talay.
Taling. Okay lang, taling.
Okay lang kahit anong
Babalik tayo dito sa Miss Universe. Miss Gay 2009-2011. Here is the question and answer portion.
Kasi alam na may taling.
Ano pa
Because
yun?
by intermission, nobody does
Question and answer
Oh, nobody
portion
kayo
pa.
lang.
Mamaya na.
Dali na.
Mamaya yun.
Constant number 1. Uy,
Jaja Montenegro.
Jaja Montenegro.
Jaja
Clap
Montenegro.
your hand, clap your hand.
Oy, landian.
Where's your bag? Where's your bag?
Yun yung question.
Easy or hard? What can you say about financial crisis today?
Only I know is I'm African. Thank you.
Constant number 2.
Ira.
Ira
May
Sioco.
translator.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands.
Translator.
Uy, alien!
You have a translator? Translator, translator. Can you call easy or hard? Easy question. Do you have a cell phone? Meron. Clap your hands. Oh, let's go on to the constant number 3.
Paulita.
Pauline Mael.
Ba, yan eh.
Easy or hard? That's your translator.
Ba, yan?
Hirap na ako.
Wala pa yung ambo.
I don't understand Tagalog. Translator. Ano ba ito? Tanong mo, nakakaintindi siya ng Tagalog.
Lasang ngiti yung...
Easy or hard?
Easy. Ayan, nababasa mo ba?
Basil excuse.
Ang pangalan ng mama niya.
Dordelino.
Very good answer. Very good answer. Sino na ang constant na susunod?
Si Lalay na. Lalay. Ay, Maricar Mahilig.
Maricar mahilig.
Maricar Mahilig.
Constant number 5, Maricar Mahilig.
Sobrang kahilig.
Ano tatak na mo?
Ada.
Welcome, come. Can you understand British?
Louis Vuitton.
Okay, question. Easy or hard?
Sasabihin daw siya.
What's it sasabihin?
Ada.
Ang bading. Kaming mga bading, huwag ninyong maliitin.
Clap your hand, clap your hand.
Sapagkat kaming mga bading ay hulog ng langit, diretso sa bangin.
Nakakatawa. Anong ibig mo sabihin sa mensahe?
Ada.
Nakakatuwa.
Very good answer. Very good.
Wala ba yung ambo?
The most beautiful. Constant number 11.
Di makita.
Lalain di makita. Ibay ko pa nga. Can you show me a model?
Kita naman eh.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Easy or hard? How old are you?
Mamaya na.
75. Thank you, thank you.
Pwesta?
Sino na?
Dahil na parang sa akin na 75.
Ang mga ano, Karen.
Karen.
Constant number 12.
Nanalo ka na agad.
Karen Marino.
Nanalo agad.
Ay!
Under.
Malandi, malandi.
Pinag-box mo.
Nice hair.
Guys,
Thank you very much.
Tumaya, may lunchbox.